WhatsApp is reportedly testing a new feature that allows users to transcribe voice messages they receive into text. According to WA Beta Info, a website that tracks new WhatsApp features, the feature is currently under development for iOS devices. The feature will allow users to transcribe voice messages they receive into text without having to play them. The feature will work in a similar way to Google's live caption feature, which transcribes audio into text in real time. However, it's unclear whether WhatsApp's feature will work in real time or whether users will have to wait for the voice message to finish playing before it is transcribed. If the feature is launched, it could be particularly useful for users who receive voice messages in noisy environments or who have difficulty hearing. It could also be beneficial for users who prefer to read messages rather than listen to them. The feature is currently in the development phase, so it's unclear when it will be rolled out to all WhatsApp users. However, the feature is expected to be released for iOS devices first, followed by Android devices at a later date.